Why does your car have inside tire wear? So inside tire wear can come from a variety of things, but generally you're going to, number one, have an alignment issue. It's possible that you have a toe issue, and if you have a toe issue where you have a toe out issue and it's pushing, it will cause inside tire wear. Toe can be an aggressive wear angle, so if you have a toe issue, it will wear tires very quickly. It's very easy. Any alignment place is going to fix a toe issue on a car under any basic alignment. That's the minimum that you would have. The next is camber, camber is how your wheels sit in or out like this. This is negative camber, and that's going to be what is going to cause you to have inside tire wear, because you have a tire like this, it sits like this inside edge will wear. When you have that, it's usually a result of being severely lowered. So low cars will have more camber, and that can cause camber wear. Generally, camber is a less wearing angle than toe, so it doesn't eat through tires unless you have super aggressive camber. You could have bent components in your suspension, and that could cause excessive camber side to side. But camber on Volkswagen models is not an adjustable angle. So the issue with that is the only way to fix that would be to get adjustable strut tops or strut hats, where you have to, on many of the cars, you have to actually lop off part of the top of the strut tower, put an adjustable camber mount in there. And really, you probably don't want to do that unless you are comfortable with noise, because a lot of the adjustable tops are going to be metal. All of them are actually. And what that lends to is a lot of suspension noise and discomfort amongst that. So you're going to compromise ride quality and noise within that if you go with that route. So understand, you want to slam your car, it's likely to have a camber issue, and that will affect wear. But then also, if you want to correct that, you're going to have to add something that's probably going to give you even more of a harsher ride and noise than you would get from just leaving it the way it was. If you are tired of spending money on tires because you're eating through them, number one, any shop should be able to help at least come up with a solution for you. And if your car is slammed on the ground and you have massive camber, that's your fault. And maybe you don't want to spend $800 every few months, 6-8 months on tires. Or maybe you buy the cheapest garbage tires and just torch through them, and so that you can be a hot boy. No traction, not a single shred of it.